everyone! Welcome back to Awesomer Kids! Today I'm super excited to bring you this count-along register by Leapfrog. This set comes with 20 pieces for us to play with. And it makes all sorts of sounds when you click the buttons.
Open for business! Orange carrots. Yum, yum! Purple grapes. Delish!
It's even going to teach us about colors and counting. I can't wait to start learning! Here's what it looks like taken out of the box. Let's switch it on.
Open for business!
Count along, everyone!
Would you please count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's try these buttons.
White milk. Whoa! Orange carrots. Best ever. Red strawberries. Fresh. Brown bread. Yum, yum. Green peas. Tasty. Purple grapes. So tasty. Yellow cheese. Wow. White eggs. Delish. White eggs. Don't drop the egg. Oops. Guess we'll make an omelet.
Over here's the scanner.
Delicious. Yummy. So tasty.
Down here's where the money goes. This set also comes with a grocery card. Coins, red strawberries, purple grapes, white milk, brown bread, orange carrots, green peas, yellow cheese, and white eggs. Let's start shopping!
Open for business!
I think I'll get some bread first.
Brown bread. Fresh. Yum, yum.
How about some milk to go with it?
Are you ready to check out?
Nope, I'm not ready yet.
Press the green total button. White milk. Wow. Yummy.
Carrots are great for your eyes. Let's get some.
Are you ready to check out? Orange carrots. Best ever. Tasty.
Yum! Strawberries are a delicious and healthy snack.
Red strawberries. Whoa. Delish.
Let's also add some greens to our diet with some peas.
Are you ready to check out? Green peas. So tasty. So tasty.
Ooh, and let's get some eggs for breakfast.
Are you ready to white eggs? Tasty. Oops, scan again. Delicious.
Yum! Grapes! Another healthy snack.
Purple grapes. Delish. Best ever.
Oh, and let's get some cheese for our sandwiches.
Yellow cheese. Delicious. Fresh.
That's everything for this transaction.
Wow, you're a super shopper. You scanned 8 items. Your total is 8 coins. Insert 8 coins.
Okay, 8 coins.
1 coin. You need 7 more coins to make 8. The total is 8 coins. And you have put in 1.
Wow, this register is great at math.
2 coins. 3 coins. 4 coins. 5 coins. 3 more to go. To total 8. 6 coins. 7 7 coins. 1 more to go. To total 8. 8 coins. You paid 8 coins. Thank you. Have a delicious day.
You're welcome. I think I need some more groceries. Let's go back for some more.
Open for business.
I'm in the mood for some healthy snacks. I'll get some carrots,
Orange carrots. Delish. So tasty.
I'm also gonna pick up some strawberries.
Are you ready to check out?
Nope, not ready.
Press the green to red strawberries. Delicious. Use tasty.
And to go with the strawberries, I'm gonna buy some grapes to make a fruit salad.
Purple grapes. Yummy. Fresh.
That's all for today.
You scanned 3 items. Your total is 3 coins. Insert 3 coins.
Let's scan the grocery card to see what the deals are.
White milk is on sale today.
Ooh, white milk is on sale. I'll pick some up too.
What do you need today? Let's white milk. Wow. Yummy.
Time to pay.
What do you need? 1 coin. 2 coins. 3 coins. 4 coins. You paid 5 coins. You paid 5 coins. An extra coin? Thanks for the tip.
Whoops, I paid too much.
In the fruit aisle, I'm shopping around. In the fruit aisle, look what I found. Purple grapes.
I'll just click this and grab my change. 1 coin. Time to pick up some stuff for breakfast. I'll grab some bread to make my breakfast sandwiches.
Brown bread. Delish. Yum, yum.
I'm also gonna need some eggs for it.
White eggs. Best ever. Oops, scan again. Tasty.
And of course some cheese. This is gonna be a delicious breakfast sandwich.
Yellow cheese. Whoa. You delicious. You scanned 3 items. Your total is 3 coins. Insert 3 coins. 1 coin. You need 2 more coins to make 3. The total is 3 coins. And you have put in 1. 2 coins. 3 coins. You paid 3. 1 coin. 2 coins. 3 coins. Paid 6 coins. Uh-oh, you paid too much.
Uh-oh, I paid way too much again. I better get my change. 1, 2, 3 coins. Well, that's all I need for today. Let's load up the basket. I have bread, eggs, cheese, milk, carrots, peas, grapes, and strawberries. Thanks for coming shopping with me. Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!